Hey God, guy. Oof. See, I know that it's been a long time and I'm so sorry. Let's just pretend like it's not been months. Let's just go straight right to this video. I just thought to myself there's no perfect time. If I keep waiting, I might never do this. And one thing I have decided not to allow weigh me down this year is procrastination. So I think this is gonna be like a vlog and just kind of thing. So as at the time I'm doing this video, it is um first Sunday of 2026. Happy New Year, everybody. I know that this year is going to be a blessed year for us, and may God help us to achieve everything we set our hearts and our mind to achieve. That being said, my grandmother's sister is getting married. It's funny because she's a grandma too. We're going to see her grandkids. So I'm taking you guys along with me to a place in Anambra State where she'll be having a traditional marriage with her boo boo man. And I've had my bath, hence why I'm doing my skincare. I just don't do much these days. Just this and then my lip gloss, and I'm off. So you guys will go for the traditional marriage with me. And later on today, I'll be having like few family friends come around. So I'm going to be having visitors today. So yeah, I'm vlogging and I've started. Please, you guys should forgive me. Take me back. And also forget to like, share, and comment. So let me get dressed and I'll see you guys soon. So yeah, I've actually worn the outfit of the day. I'm putting on a boo-boo, butterfly boo-boo made by yours truly. I'm sure some of you don't know I make clothes. Maybe we'll see more of that this year. Hopefully. Uh-huh. Ignore the pimple on my face. I'm just a girl. So yeah, this traditional marriage is meant to hold by 12, and this is currently 11:48. So I'm late. Like I'm running late. But yeah, let me go give her wine. I try to wear a boo-boo so I can, you know, be in sync with the women affair that's going to be happening there. I also want to reintroduce myself for some people that are just seeing me for the first time. My name is Juliet, Julie Vibes. I stay in Nigeria. I'm married. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a content creator. God, I'm trying to fix this thing. It's not working. On this channel, we're going to be doing more of lifestyle. Bunch of everything I want to talk about, my space, my minimalistic life. Please do not forget to engage, like, share, comment. This needs to lose. But you make I lose this thing off camera and they come back. Okay, yeah, I finally sorted it out and the sun is too hot. Actually, I'm doing this video without any form of light, just the sunlight and my friend's camera. I hope it comes out neat. Anyway, so that's why I'm going for a short bob wig. I'm also going to tie my hair. Like I said, I want to be in sync. You know, she's a grandma. She's my grandma younger sister. So a lot of women, old women affairs events, a lot of old women things are going to be happening there. So I don't want to be like, oh ne, why do you do that? Although it's something small that they're actually doing, but I just want to look this simple and free. And I'm not driving as well, so it's going to be a lot of work for me. So I'm just going to try this off camera and I'll be back. Oh yeah, you guys, I'm back. I'm back. How's the back? I hope it's given because I can't see it. Anyways, this is me looking like a newly wedded wife. Clock it. So I'm used to doing lip gloss, you know, the nude and brown kind of combo. But this year, I also want to try some other colors. I mean, I heard red can also fit dark skin girls. So yeah, I'm going to do red and mix some other things like I'm just thinking if it doesn't come out nice, I'm going to clean it, but I'm going to do this off camera. So lip gloss done. What do you guys think? I think it's cool, right? So there's something I learned recently. A friend of mine taught me if you don't have your lashes on, try and have a eyeliner and probably mascara. It's going to still make your face pop. So I'm just going to apply the eyeliner and my mascara. So you guys, I'm ready. What do you think? Simple and cute, right? I know. See you at the church. Good afternoon, sir. I'm telling you, this is the son of the bride. You not say Auntie, that's the bride. This is my grandmother's brother's wife. Say hi. Auntie, say hi.
Hi, my dear.
We're
Good
here.
afternoon.
No. Hi, God. I see good afternoon.
That one.
All the man. Oh no, mama. Auntie Kama. Here is the wife and the grandson of the bride. That's my grandmother's sister, and that's the son. Bride. It's so funny. Bride. I'm a Kwanambu bride. That's the groom. No, those people there are the youths. I was so shocked. Like they came in massive. See the youths arguing for their rights. Like it's so nice to see actually. The Umma does to be not left out. That's their Onisi, the leader, making sure that things are in order as well. Trust the Umu now to always cross-check the list, fight for their rights. That man on black cap, man, he's the terrorist of this youth or whatever thing they call. Hey, that's my uncle. Come back.
Oh, Alele.
That's my uncle.
That's beautiful. If a chocolate color.